Kevin Owens.
No.
Owens attack Machine Gun Kelly. Not off the stage.
Kevin. He's a musician. He's not a superstar. He's a guest. Why would you do that?
What do you mean, why? Because I felt like it. Grow up.